Hey guys, it's Dennis here with Team Deberu, and today it's part number 7 video showing you how to make $100 per day with list building by using Google Adwords. So let's jump into the content. Hey guys, and welcome back to our tutorials, and like I mentioned before, today is video number 7 and the topic is what kind of products you can promote in your email marketing. So I'm gonna go through the digital and physical products and show you the websites where you can find your products to promote to your new subscribers. So let's jump to the first slide to the digital products and let's have a look where you can find them. So digital products, so let's have a look where you can find them. So the best place to start finding your first digital product to promote would be on the website called ClickBank, so clickbank.com. Probably you're familiar of if you're in some kind of online marketing businesses, but ClickBank is the leading online marketplace for any kind of digital product. And we're gonna go through all of these websites just in the end of this video, just to show you where and what kind of niches they have for each of these websites. So let's have a look to some metrics about products if you want to look at on clickbank.com. So what to look into when you search for a good product to promote. So commission percent, I would recommend products with 30 to 50% commission percentage per sale or more. So more is better is. Why? Because you're gonna earn more per sale. So average dollars per sale, how much you will be making in average per one generated sale. So this is the second metrics that you want to look at. And the third one is gravity score. So look for products with a minimum of gravity 30, but I would recommend to look for gravity 50 or more. The bigger the number, that it's telling you that the product is selling more than others. And the last one is good vendors, which is very important. So check the people who created the product. Are they trustable? Do they have a support to reach out? Check the product sales page and check what kind of promotional materials you get, and in the end check the testimonials. So you want to check everything if the product is reliable and if it's a good product to actually promote to your new subscribers, because you want to promote good quality products to your email list, so your subscribers to actually come back and buy more from you. And now let's have a look to other digital affiliate marketplaces you can use to find the products for your niche. So one is jvzoo.com, cj.com, muncheye.com and warriorplus.com, and in the end is JV Notify Pro. And we're gonna have a look to all of these websites just later on in the video. And now let's jump to the physical product where I want to show you the websites where you can find products for your niche. And the first one is called Amazon. So you probably know amazon.com, and you can actually promote all the products from their marketplaces. But I want to say that you're not gonna get 30 to 50% commission like on ClickBank with digital products. So you're gonna get around 10% on amazon.com. So let's have a look below. So I need to say that promoting products from amazon.com will not give you commissions like 30 to 50%. You can earn up to 10% commission for each sale you generate. So that's why I would recommend to look for physical products that have high selling prices. So the higher the selling price, the higher your profit will be. But you can have a look to these different affiliate marketplaces and find much better physical products to promote with higher commission percentages. So these are here below. So on the other physical affiliate marketplaces you can use. So I have listed a couple of examples. So the first is markethealth.com, then is sharesale.com, moreniche.com, and the last one is printful.com, which is going to be very interesting and we're going to go through just later on. And the last one is that you can use the affiliate networks for e-commerce and cash on delivery products. And now let's have a look to all these websites from digital and physical products. All right, so let's go through digital products websites first. And I mentioned clickbank.com, the first one, and here we are on the marketplace section. And here on the left side, you can see all the niches you can find and browse for your products to promote. So if we click, let's say, cooking, food and wine, so you're gonna get a sub and sub niches. So this is how you're gonna search for your products, for your email marketing, and like I mentioned before, to go by gravity score. So you can come here on the sort results by, and you click here by gravity, and you're gonna get the top products, so the most that are selling at the moment. And you can see here the gravity of 227, which is pretty good. All right, now let's go through other digital product websites. So the next one is jbzoo.com. So here you can have a look on the categories. Up here you're gonna click here, and you can see that they have a lot of niches that you can go. So health, gambling, education, business, commerce, self-improvement. So you're gonna come here and see if you can find anything to promote. So let's jump to the next one, which is Launch Eye. So here you're gonna find the big launches on the left side, and on the right side you have all the launches. So you're gonna go here and select any of your products that you want to promote. But I want to say that here they are mostly on the make money online niche. So you're not gonna find some kind of health and weight loss niches. So the first one is up here, which is warriorplus.com. And if you go on the marketplaces up here, and if you scroll down, you're gonna find the list. So you can search by keywords if you would like to, but you can go here and browse the products they have. So they have many niches. So you have e-com, vegan diet up here, you have a warrior traffic, but mostly are from making money online niche. So let's jump to the next one, which is JV Notify Pro, and this one is mostly focusing on make money online niche as well. And if you scroll down up here, you're gonna find the list that are upcoming products that are coming on the marketplace, where you can have a look and see if anything fits to your niche. All right, so these were all the digital product websites, and now let's jump to physical products. And the first one is amazon.com, which you probably know and you are familiar of. So this is the amazon.com, and here on the top on the departments you can click and you're gonna find all the big niches. And if you go inside, let's say arts and crafts, you're gonna come to sub and sub niches. So that's how you can brainstorm the possible niches to find the products that fit your niche. All right, so the next one is gonna be markethealth.com. So they are focusing mostly on the health section. So it's gonna be some kind of creams and weight loss. But to get all the list of the products they have, you're gonna actually need to create the account and then see the marketplace with all the products they have. So let's go to the next one, which is shareasale.com. It's a well-known website where they have many different niches. So you're gonna go up here on the top and you have home and garden, fashion, green, business, and on the more section you have other art and music, family, food, education, health, sports, and wedding. So they have a lot of physical products that you can implement inside your email marketing. So let's go to the next one, which is more niche. And here on the offer section, you're gonna find 1, 2, 3, 4 different niches that you can go. So first one is beauty, bodybuilding, health, and weight and loss. So these are the niches that they are focusing on. And the next one is pretty interesting that I want to share, which is print on demand. So let's have a look to here, and this is our niche, so keto diet, and they are selling t-shirts. So these are print on demand products that they are using this company called printful.com. So they have products up here that you can actually give them the design and they will create it and send it to the customer. So that's how you can implement inside your email marketing even the physical products like your e-commerce business, right? So let's have a look to one example. So if we look here below on the t-shirts, so you can see that the starting price is from 7.25 euros. And if we jump back to this website, you can see that they are selling for roughly around $25 to $30, which is pretty good. And that's how you can combine digital, physical products from others, and then you can create your e-com brand by selling print on demand products. So let's jump back to printful.com and here you have all kind of products. So you can go show more, and you can actually create a pretty nice e-commerce brand around your selected niche. All right, so now let's jump to the last two examples, which are actually for the niche that we have in this tutorial, so keto diet. I just want to show you these two examples, but you can actually brainstorm and do your research to find these kind of brands that you can become an affiliate. So the first one is up here, which they have an app which is keto diet, and you can actually become an affiliate to this brand. So let's have a look to the below, and here below it says affiliates. So you can actually become an affiliate for this product and you can promote it for your email list subscribers. So let's scroll back up, and here you can look that they have diet plans, premium and free, so testimonials. So they have books, so ebooks about keto diet. They have my story, that's probably a brand owner. They have recipes, and they have a blog, and here they have again testimonials. And this is an example that you can find brands within your niche that you can actually become an affiliate and promote their products. And the second example is the supplements for keto diet, and this brand Ketologic, they have an affiliate program, so you can actually become an affiliate and promote all these kind of products. So you can see they have a candy product, and they have some kind of supplements for your additional diet. And if we scroll down all the way back, so you can see that they have on the company section become an affiliate. So you're gonna click here and you're gonna apply for an account, and that's how you're gonna become an affiliate and you can promote these kind of products too.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.